Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Bristol Crypto Craig here on a Sunday night on the last day of February before we hit March. Now, I just want to talk tonight a little bit about a gaming coin I'm really bullish on that I have been holding myself for a while. It's quite an old coin called Enjin. You might have heard of it. It's basically based around the gaming industry, online gaming, etc. So I'm just on their on one of their web pages at the moment, and just looking through their platform and their wallets. It says here you get a free feature-rich blockchain wallet used and loved by millions. So just have a quick look at their wallet, guys, here a minute. It's pretty interesting. I haven't really had to look much into this yet. So basically, it's available on Google Play and the App Store. Built for traders, gamers, and developers. So it looks pretty useful. I like the look of this. So on here, you can store your coins and tokens. Enjin is an Ethereum-based project. On their wallet, you can store your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Binance, Dogecoin, ERC20 tokens, ERC721, ERC1152 NFTs, non-fungibles as well. So it's really good. And it says there's no ads, zero trackers. Your private keys are your own. So you actually own your wallet, unlike with some platforms where you don't actually own your private keys. And there's a 12 words passphrase backup, which is most standard with most wallets you can get nowadays as well. So I really like this this new wallet. That looks really good, really handy. So a bit more about Enjin Coin, what they're about. So let's have a look at their team and what they're actually down here. It says here that they are we're a fully distributed team spread across 5 continents and a dozen countries, unified by a mission to build futuristic world-class products. And their team here is comprised of savvy entrepreneurs and tech industry experts, bringing decades of experience to a growing company. So here you can briefly see their team. It's quite a big team of people here. Quite a knowledgeable bunch of guys by the look of it there. This company was founded in 2009, so it's actually been going for like 12 years now. So it is quite a mature company. And they've created over 2 billion assets already on the blockchain. And there's over 13 million Enjin locked in assets already. So it's just a coin, guys, that you might be really just want to bring your attention to, really. Let's have a look on Coinmarketcap to give you some details of the coin. And it is one that I hold myself. Like I said, I never talk about coins that I'm not actually invested in myself, as you know. So it looks really interesting here. Okay, guys, let's have a look. My computer decides to wake up today. There we go. It's a bit of a lagging today for some reason. Okay, guys, so here we are, Enjin Coin, trading just under 50 cents at the moment, and currently ranked at 93. So in the top 100 now, which has moved up slightly, I believe, recently as well. So their market cap is at the moment is 415 million, which is like, as I always say, I like that sort of like that little gap between the 100 and 500 million market cap. Plenty of room to move. Plenty of chances to however many times X. Circulating supply at the moment is up to 83%. Just over 830 million coins actually in circulation at the moment. Nearly a 70 million volume on the 24-hour. So I'm really bullish on this coin. I really like it. It's on the good exchanges, guys. It's on Binance. What more do you like? I mean, I love Binance, don't we all? We love Binance. And so it's also on Upbit and Latican, Bitfum as well, if you're interested in the other markets. I always stick to Binance, guys, myself, obviously. So basically, quick rundown. Enjin Coin is a project of Enjin, a company that provides an ecosystem of interconnected blockchain-based gaming products. Its flagship offering is the Enjin Network, a social gaming platform through which users can create websites and clans, chat, and host virtual item store. That's good. It allows game developers to tokenize in-game items on the Ethereum blockchain, the ERC20. It uses Enjin Coin, an ERC20 token, to back the digital asset issued using its platform, meaning that items can be bought, sold, and traded with real-world value. So Enjin Coin was first announced in July 2017, but the company's been going since 2009. Launched on the Ethereum mainnet in June 2018, so it's been going for nearly 3 years now, guys. Yeah, it's a really interesting project. I really like it. So yeah, I just wanted to bring your attention to this coin, guys. I mean, there are a few gaming coins and NFT coins out there, but this one for me is the one that probably I'm most bullish on out of all of them, and the one that I'm most invested in out of all of them. There are a few other ones as well that you might want to look at. But so yeah, there you go. And I want to have a look at the overall market, guys, as well today. Actually, it's not. Here we go. Bit of a lag today, guys, for some reason. Okay, so the Bitcoin dominance still 61%. Nothing much has changed there. Bitcoin has come down today to 43,000. There's not a lot going on, guys, at the moment. It's very red. It's a buyer's market at the moment. A lot of coins are on sale. Red, red. Blood in the streets, guys, everywhere at the moment. But I do want to have a look at the Bitcoin chart before I go. I feel we're nearly bottomed out now, guys. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart here on the dollar. Just want to have a look at this a minute. Okay, serious internet on slow mo today. So here we go, guys. Here we are. We've gone up here back last week, and today we came down to 44,000 mark. I cannot see we're going to go much lower before things start picking up. I did say earlier in the week we could come down to like maybe 40, 38, 40. We could still come down and touch that before we turn around and we actually take back off up. I wouldn't get too bearish, guys, at the moment. I think at the moment, I feel at the moment there's a bit of manipulation going on with the markets. Probably the mining in the Chinese mining guys are selling a lot of their mining coins off. And maybe also the whales are having a bit of a play at the moment with us. They're hyping the coins, the next day they're diving it, and then they're hyping it back up again. So for me at the moment, there's a bit of manipulation in the market. Probably it's a Pope Catholic, that kind of scenario, you know. So I would expect the whales in March to start going into an upward trend now. I don't think we'll go too much further down, guys. Definitely at the moment, it is a time to accumulate. Don't get shaken out with those weak hands. It's really I think what we're looking at the moment is a waiting game, guys. And the waiting game, I believe, could take over the next couple of weeks, possibly, before we actually see a great upward trend. So just keep his hands strong, guys. Keep his hands strong. No selling your coins at the moment. It is just a matter of just being patient. And that is all we can say at the moment, I'm afraid. But just a quick video update from me, guys. I like to do a video for you every day. Back tomorrow with hopefully a bit more market talk and a few more coins I want to talk about. One that I've actually spotted recently. So thanks for watching Bristol Crypto Craig. Checking out. I cannot really leave you with a nice green chart today because I'm struggling to find any. There aren't many out there. So thanks for watching. Strong hands. Just don't sell. The whales at the moment are trying to shake out the weak hands so they can make their money and move on. Thanks for watching. Bristol Crypto Craig checking out. See you tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Strong hands. Keep them safe.